Welcome to the Bronx Community Wellness Center.
We're here today to celebrate the Bronx Wellness Center, which is a community center that is focused on wellness for the entire community. To get us all through times that we all experience sometimes. How do you help each other? You come to a wellness center.
The Wellness Center Open House is an opportunity to bring the Bronx community and providers in to tell us what they need.
We're going to be doing wonderful things here, like art, music, yoga, inviting the community in as well as the individuals that Bronx Psychiatric Center serves.
We look at 3 words: resiliency, recovery, and hope. We're going to continue to embrace those 3 words. We're going to continue to embrace the word community.
We're really interested in dismantling health disparities by creating health equity for not only people with serious mental illness, but people from all walks of life.
This wellness center will be a pinnacle point of the Bronx for years to come.